Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a pin on Pinterest step by step. Creating a pin lets you share your own images, videos, or ideas with other Pinterest users. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Pinterest website and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, click the Create button at the top of the page. Then select Create Pin. Next, click the Upload area. Choose the image or video you want to upload from your computer. Then click Open. Enter a title for your pin. Next, add a description to explain your pin. If you have a website or blog, enter the destination link. Then choose the board where you want to save your pin. If you don't have a board, click Create Board and enter a name. Once everything is ready, click the Publish button. Your pin will now be published to your selected board. And that's it. You've successfully created a pin on Pinterest. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Pinterest tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.